Hey guys, we're back with another video, and today we got this Blackweb mechanical gaming keyboard. This was one of the more higher end Blackweb keyboards or gaming keyboards. So it was about 70 bucks. It was 70 Canadian dollars. And yeah, I believe Blackweb is one of Walmart's companies. So let's just see how well this performs. Or not how it performs, or how it is installed into the box. Let's get rid of these tapes. Does I remove it? Nope. Alright, there we go. That's one of them. This one on the other side. Okay, it's open on one end. Fine. Alright. Okay, there we go. Now we can just... Oh, I should show you guys around the box first. So as you saw from the beginning, this is the front. This would be the back. This is the top. This is the bottom. The side. The other side. Alright, now let's open this up. Okay, we are presented the keyboard right away. Let's pull this out. The cable's inside there, so guess we pull this out as well. There we go. There's the cable. There seems to be nothing else in the box. Yep, pretty empty. So let's leave that. Let's put that away. Now let's get the keyboard. From the packaging, the keyboard seemed to be RGB. We will try and figure that out. And there we go. I'm not sure if this has any media keys. Didn't really seem like it from the packaging. It didn't have any of these other little symbols. Alright. It's pretty clicky. This feels like metal. Ooh, let's go to the back. So this is the back. Oh, look at that. You can route the cables from... You can even put it around like that. It's pretty good. You can have some elevation. There we go. It's pretty nice. Alright, anyways, I'll see you guys back. I'll get this connected. And yeah, see you then. Alright guys, I got the keyboard hooked up to my laptop. It's a laptop I got about like 3 years ago or 4 years ago. It's something like that. I had an unboxing video of it a long time ago. So anyways, so I hooked it up and it had this weird light show that appeared before it powered on. Show you guys that right now. Just gonna unplug it real quick. Plug it back in. There it goes. Yeah, that's how it starts up. So it's backlit. Looks pretty nice. Yeah, and it's really clicky, honestly. Anyways, so I went to these the manual. I didn't really see it at first. I don't know why, but here it is. This is the front of it. And so over here it has some key switches. So breathing mode is this, FN and INS, which is there. So there's different modes and things like that. So that's breathing mode. If for a second time, to on mode. Okay. If you click HM, this will be endless stream. Okay, so that's how it is. If I go to FN plus PU, that's incline changing. It's pretty nice. It's not really that bad. So the next one is ambilight. I guess that's how you say it. So it's FN plus delete. Okay. And whenever you want to go back to the original all lights on, you just click FN and INS, I think. Oh yeah, you click it for a second time. Or if you click delete for a second time. Yeah, that just starts it over again. So you have to click INS twice to reset it back to this base format, I guess you'd say. Anyways, the next one, okay, let's get that to focus, is FN plus N for a second time. FN plus PD. Okay, okay. So let's try that. Oh, no, that's something, okay. Yeah, we already done this one. That was end, so it's like that. End again. Okay. That's the second time you click end. So if I click that again, it's like more comes out. So if I click it again, it's back to the original one. Or not the original one, the base one. So you can click end up to 3 times, I'm pretty sure. So this is the first time we clicked it. This is the second. Now we click it again. Yeah, so you can do that again. Then you click it again. Alright, so there's 3 modes for end. Alright, next is FN plus PD. Oh, so it's WASD, escape, and arrow keys. Looks pretty nice. Alright. They have a second page full of other commands. I'm not sure if these are for lighting, just game mode and the setting of keys. Okay. I'm not sure if you can turn off the light, but I guess you would just put it at the end and it would just stay off like that. So yeah. Alright, anyways. So that's about it for okay. It's breathing right now. Gotta click it again. There we go. If you wanted to turn on it already looks on, honestly. Wait, let's turn this off. Yeah, it's on. Wait up. No, that's okay. So we gotta click end. Yeah, so these are all off. There we go. Oh, that's okay. So these light up too with it. Okay. So let's put a base. So these are actually kind of lit right now. So if we were to click numlock, for example, it would actually light up even brighter. Let's scroll. Pretty sure it's okay. Windows lock. Not sure how to light up the 4th one, but so they do get brighter, alright, to show that it's active. Alright, so that's pretty nice. And yeah, this is about it for this video. If you guys have any questions, I'll try and answer them. Yeah, it seems like it'd be pretty easy to clean, honestly, since you have pretty good access to the bottom of the key. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.